headed back to New Orleans, driving in the country past old-timey scene. Big birds were singing in the tall willow tree, mighty fine. 3 words written on a paper bag, I miss you, was written in a message in black, thrown in a van, it's 1,000 miles back, a better time. And how many souls and times that I've told, the places it had wanna be, and how many days when I could have stayed, instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. Long coat, walking on a New York street, a pack of crushed cigarettes fell to her feet. Well, ain't it odd how some people meet, but that's the truth. And 2 pictures buried in a guitar case, underneath the music sheets all over the place. I caught a glimpse of the sweetest girl's face I ever knew. And how many souls and times that I've told, the places that had like to be, and how many days when I could have stayed, instead of just getting up to leave. And given we make time, I'll meet you down the line. And all the days from now to then, if they never seem to come or to go, find me in your memories that keep you from getting so low. And given we make time, meet you down the line. Down the line. Meet up down the line. Down the line.
That's what the old cuts do. They're by him. Still one trip and then
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the call of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time smoke on the Cumberland, and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall. Who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got 10